In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stock Screener for swing trading in Tradingview. Whether you're new to swing trading or looking to refine your process, using a stock screener can make a world of difference by helping you quickly identify the best opportunities in the market. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step method to set up and customize the Tradingview stock screener so you can focus on high-potential stocks with strong support from analysts and healthy trading volumes. Let's get started. First, open the Tradingview platform. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll find the stock screener. This tool is your gateway to filtering through thousands of stocks, and it's conveniently located within the Tradingview interface. Now make sure the screener is set to the US stock market. This is important because it narrows your focus to major liquid stocks that are generally better suited for swing trading. By keeping the screener on the US market, you'll have access to a wide range of popular stocks, making your search for opportunities more efficient. Next, locate the column labeled Analyst Rating within the screener. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scroll through the available columns or adjust the visible columns list. Once you've found it, right-click on the Analyst Rating column and move it to the very beginning of the screener. This small adjustment ensures that the most critical information, the analyst consensus, is front and center, saving you time and effort as you evaluate stocks. With the Analyst Rating column in place, apply a filter to show only stocks with a strong buy rating. This step is key because it helps you focus on stocks that have broad support from analysts. Stocks rated as strong buy are often backed by solid fundamentals and positive market sentiment, making them better candidates for swing trading. Next, turn your attention to the Change column in the screener. Click on it and access the column settings here. You'll want to adjust the time frame to reflect 1 week. After selecting the 1-week time frame, click Apply. This update ensures the data you're working with highlights short-term price movements, which are essential for making informed swing trading decisions. Now, find the Volume column in the screener. Right-click on it to access its settings. Similar to the Change column, you'll need to adjust the Volume column to show data for the past week. Once you've selected the 1-week view, hit Apply. This adjustment is crucial because it helps you confirm that the stocks you're considering have enough trading activity to allow you to enter and exit positions smoothly. After updating the Volume column, click on the column header to sort the data in descending order. This action brings the most actively traded stocks to the top of your list, making it easier to identify candidates with high liquidity. Liquidity is a vital factor in swing trading as it reduces the risk of slippage when placing trades. At this stage, apply another filter to target stocks that have decreased in value by no more than 5% over the past week. By focusing on stocks with only slight pullbacks, you're identifying those that may simply be taking a healthy breather before resuming an upward trend. Avoid stocks with larger declines, as they could signal deeper issues or a potential reversal in momentum. Now that your screener is fully customized, review the filtered list of stocks. As you go through the results, click the flag icon next to any stock that meets all your criteria. This will bookmark them for easy reference later. Don't rush this step. Take your time to carefully evaluate each candidate to ensure it aligns with your trading strategy. If needed, you can repeat this entire process to identify additional candidates. Remember, swing trading relies on methodical and informed decision-making, so it's worth investing the time to get your list just right. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use the Tradingview stock screener for swing trading. If you're new to Tradingview, you can use the link in the description to create an account and start exploring this powerful platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.